Hello everyone. Here's a 30-inch Heritage Alexis that has been installed out here on my porch at the cabin for about 4 years actually. And as you can see, the blades are still in good shape and everything. And I mean, it's dirty, but you know, as part of that's because it was all taped together when I bought it from a thrift store. The light's good. I got a LED in there. It's supposed to help with bugs, but I don't know about that. Let's show it running here on high. It's good for keeping bugs away from the door. And medium. And low. And off. It actually doesn't really have any bearing noise either, which is strange considering it's a Heritage. But it's a good little fan for right here above the door. So it works out nice. That is it, and I hope you enjoyed.